Pred začatím samotného videa by som chcel povedať, že udalosti v tomto videu sú naozaj extrémne a ako Airsoft komunita by sme sa presne týmto situáciám mali vyvarovať. Toto video slúži ako ukážka, čo všetko sa na Airsoft ihrisku dokáže stať, keď sa stretnú nesprávni ľudia. Nezabudnite nahodiť like a odber a bez ďalšieho obkecávania poďme na video.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, he's behind the fence? Oh, fuck. We got it. We got it.
There goes the fun.
Be welcome here anymore. You're all probably dead. Go. Here, my hand.
None of you called it!
Get off my field! Get off my field!
None of them called it! None of them called it!
Bro!
Go back to your spawn. What is your problem, dude? What is your problem, dude? What the hell are you freaking doing? What the hell is your problem?
Stop shooting at me. Stop shooting at me.
Back. What the hell are you freaking doing? You piece of crap. What the hell is your problem?
Stop shooting at me.
What the?
Stop shooting at me. Oh my gun.
The hell is your problem?
Oh my gun.
You just freaking broke that.
Oh, you can fix it.
Look what the. You just broke the entire freaking rail system like you moron. I don't have a freaking battery. Screw you.
Give me the name! Give me the name!
I got it.
Wrong angle! I can't, they're hidden! Really?
Well,
Don't stop! Move! 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 Go! Down! 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 You alright, brother? Yeah. Wow.
Fucked up all my gear.
Pack?
They turn too sharp.
Oh, shit. Ah, fuck. Hey! Hey!
Hey, dude, I'm dead! What the hell are you doing, dude?
Pull your head. Hey, 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 calm down, calm down, calm down. Hey, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Hey.
You just shot me in the back of the neck on purpose. Come on. Hey, cool down. Hey. someone shot me, but it hit my gun, so I took cover, and it's my fault. Don't worry.
Are you okay, dude?
Well, I'm worried about my gun, but other than that,
Are you sure you're okay?
the wind is knocked out of me. I probably.
Fall down from the second story?
Yes.
Wait from up.
I was actually terrified you'd land on a brick.
Yeah, I fell. It sucked. I'm okay.
Hit! 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 Yeah. Hit! Come move over here if you need to. Come move over here. We're hit! 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 We're all hit! We're all hit! We're all hit!
Cours, passe à les portes plus loin. Oh, Dieu! Ouais, c'est bon, c'est bon.
Almost staying there until we clear more.
Oh no, I got that. You okay?
You're right. You're right, mate. Talking bad enough.
Yeah.
No, I'm caught on the fucking branch on my leg.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Fuck! I dug right into my fucking knee. Oh, leggy. Go, keep going, keep going. Good thing you're smaller than 3 inches.